Welcome to the Warriors of Dunshire. The Warriors of Dunshire is a challenge between two players where the objective is to capture the opposing player's king in a series of duels. The game consists of players using the dice to determine the outcome of battles between their warriors. When battles are won, life forces are taken as rewards, strengthening the victors and leading up to the ultimate challenge to defeat the opponent's king. Once the game pieces are in place, each player selects one of their warriors and places them next to each other in the ring of combat. Each player then rolls their die to see who the victor is. The player with the higher number wins and takes one life force bead from the losing player. If the losing player has only one life force bead, the warrior marble itself is sent to the Boneyard of Lost Souls. If a warrior has absorbed 3 life forces, they are retired from combat and subsequent battles are fulfilled by the player's other warriors. If there are no other warriors left, only then can they come out of retirement and defend the king. This cycle is repeated until one player has eliminated all of the opposing player's warriors. Once all of a player's warriors have been defeated, his king must enter the ring of combat for the next round. If the king is victorious in the final battle, instead of taking a life force bead, control of the defeated warrior will be transferred to the king, and a new round begins. If a 6 is rolled by a player during the combat round, a special case applies where the player gets to choose between destroying the opposing warrior, the warrior and however many life force beads are sent to the Boneyard, or resurrecting a fallen warrior from the Boneyard and taking 1 life force bead from the losing warrior and giving it to the resurrected warrior. The resurrected warrior is now back in play. A player wins the game when the opposing player's king is defeated in battle.